Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to install a serpentine belt on Mercedes W163. This one is ML430, but it will be the same for the 320 as well. We did some repairs and we decided to shoot the video and show you guys exactly how to do that, because now we have more room since we don't have the fan on. But you can do that without removing the fan. You don't need to remove the fan for the serpentine belt. So you need to go to the power steering pump, then to the AC compressor, and from there to the crankshaft. From the crankshaft now you need to go right here. Okay, you need to hold it because it's going to move, and now we need to go to the tensioner pulley right there. So make sure that it aligns good, it goes in the grooves. And what you need to do next, you need to go to the water pump, and now you need to let it go from top and go to the alternator. Okay. And then the belt, if it's a new belt, it will be pretty tight, so okay, what you need to do now with a 17mm socket, there is a special place on the tensioner pulley that you go right there. Okay, you can, it's kind of limited room guys, but you'll find it right there. And you need to go counterclockwise until you relieve the pressure of the belt. Okay, you need to make sure you put it there. Make sure everything lines up really good, and that's the whole procedure guys. That's how it's supposed to be. And right here we have the picture as well if you need it. Let me show you quick. Okay, this is it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.